Welcome back to Car Garage. Today, we're diving into the thrilling and elegant world of Italian performance with the all-new 2026 Ferrari Roma, a car that blends heritage and modernity. Power and poise, luxury and aggressiveness is Ferrari's answer to the modern Grand Tourer, and in 2026, it's better than ever. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Roma is absolutely mesmerizing. Ferrari has taken the minimalist elegance of its classic Grand Tourers and infused it with a futuristic edge. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, sculpted to perfection with seamless lines that flow from front to back. The front fascia features a sharper, more aggressive grille with active aero elements, flanked by new slimline LED headlights that give the Roma a piercing gaze. The long bonnet and short rear deck maintain that traditional GT silhouette, but there's a freshness to it that feels entirely new. Around back, the quad taillights are now more refined, sitting above a reworked diffuser and quad exhaust setup that hints at the power waiting under the hood. Sitting low on 21-inch forged wheels and wrapped in Pirelli P0s, the Roma is ready to impress from any angle. Step inside, and the experience is just as refined. Ferrari continues to elevate its interior design, and the 2026 Roma showcases that beautifully. You're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that feels more like the inside of a fighter jet than a sports car. The dual cockpit layout separates the driver and passenger with a sweeping center console, finished in high-grade carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and Italian leather. The seats are now slimmer, but more supportive, offering increased comfort for long distance drives while still keeping you firmly planted during spirited driving. Technology is also upgraded. The digital instrument cluster is now a stunning 16-inch curved OLED display, offering customizable layouts and sharp visibility in all conditions. The central touchscreen, seamlessly embedded into the dash, features Ferrari's latest infotainment interface, which now includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new AI-powered voice assistant. Even the passenger gets their own 8.4-inch touchscreen for media, navigation, or performance stats. Ambient lighting, a premium Burmester audio system, and climate-controlled seats all work together to ensure this interior matches the Roma's grand touring mission. Under the hood, the magic continues. The 2026 Ferrari Roma is powered by a heavily updated 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This engine now pushes out an impressive 720 horsepower and 740 Nm of torque, thanks to revised turbochargers, improved fuel mapping, and a lightweight exhaust system. The engine is mated to Ferrari's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which has been further refined for quicker shifts and better low-speed behavior in urban environments. The result? A 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.1 seconds and a top speed of over 325 km/h. The Roma isn't just about straight-line speed, though. With updated magnetic suspension, rear-wheel steering, and Ferrari's latest side slip control 7.0, this car hugs corners like a proper track machine. Whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising the coast, the Roma feels perfectly balanced and confident. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Roma doesn't come cheap, but then again, no Ferrari ever does. The base price starts at around $150,000 USD. However, with the array of customization options Ferrari offers ranging from paint to sample colors, bespoke interiors, and carbon fiber exterior upgrades, it's not unusual for a well-optioned Roma to push well past the $300,000 mark. For those who want an even more exclusive experience, Ferrari is also offering a limited-run Roma Lusso edition with unique design cues and handcrafted finishes. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is a breathtaking blend of elegance, power, and cutting-edge tech. It's a true Grand Tourer in every sense, a car that looks as good as it drives, and one that reminds us why Ferrari is still at the top of the game. Whether you're a longtime Ferrari fan or someone just entering the world of Italian performance, the Roma is a compelling statement of style and substance. Thanks for watching Car Garage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you next time with another exciting machine.